Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to show you how to plot a stacked XRD graph in Origin step by step. I will show you how to format it properly so it looks clean and professional. First, open your first XRD data file. Select all the data by pressing Ctrl A and copying it by pressing Ctrl C. Now open Origin software and paste the data into the worksheet. As you can see, this is my first data sheet and it's already smoothed. If you don't know how to smooth XRD data, you can check my previous video. Next, open your second XRD data file, select all the data again and copy it, and go back to the origin and paste it into new column. Now we need to assign the correct axis. Change the D column to X since this will act as the X-axis for the second data sheet. After that, select column A, column C, column D and column E. Now go to plot option and select stacked plot. You will see a preview of two stacked XRD patterns. Next, let's adjust the axis. Double click on the x-axis to open the setting. You will see there are two layers, layer 1 and layer 2. When you select a layer, it will be highlighted in green, which means you are editing that specific layer. Select layer 1 and set the x-axis range, for example from 10 to it will be 80. And then go to the vertical, which is y-axis of layer 1. For example, if your intensity starts from 400, set the value accordingly. Now go to layer 2 and change your values accordingly. First check the vertical, or let's first check the horizontal. That is already set from 10 to 80. And now vertical one, we will start it from 0 as our graph starts from 0. Click apply. It's apply now, and then click OK. Now let's clean up the graph. Select the y-axis values and press delete to remove them from both layers. Also remove the values from the top. Okay, give your sample your specific name, for example XRD1 or any of your sample name, and that is XRD2. Okay, the y-axis is the intensity, so intensity, its unit is arbitrary unit. As we know, the x-axis is 2 theta, so 2, and Control M and then select theta, insert and close. Now double click on the x-axis again and switch to layer 2. Go to the line and ticks section, set major ticks to none and also minor ticks to none. Apply, it's apply on it, and can go to the top, none, vertex also done. Then apply it. Same goes for the left and right. Double click on the x-axis, go to the scale tab and change the values from 5 to 10. Now your x-axis will show cleaner values like 10, 20, 30, making it easier to read. Now let's do some makeup. Select layer 2 and change its color, for example, to red. Now select layer 1 and change its color to blue. That's it, and it's ready for analysis.